Hey guys, today's my first day filming a more s'mores and less snores video. It's my first time and I'm super excited. I can't wait. So today I'll be showing you YouTube! Another YouTube channel that's my favorite on YouTube and some other stuff on the table. First, I'm going to show you, well, I'm actually not going to do, I am going to think about doing the TV. But, or else I'll just do some fun games, a lot of them on the table. This is a really pretty table. And I'm in my room. I usually don't film in here, but I'm going to give you a little tour. So this is my favorite room. And my uncle is going to come here named Matt, and this is going to be his room. So I think he's coming tomorrow or late tonight. And I want to stay in here as long as I can. Because if he isn't here, I might have to get ready in here with him. So I'm going to stay in here as long as I can. So yeah, and it's going to be a little hard, but I'm going to give you a tour. This is my closet. I'll show you around in it. I've got a broom. My place is super dirty. And this is my closet. My sister's room too. It's pretty dark in here. My light I can't reach. This is all my sister's clothes. You can barely, I think you can't see them, but they're pretty. I'll go ask my dad to turn the light on. It gets pretty bright. Dad? Dad?
Yeah?
Can you turn the light on in my closet?
Sure, baby.
Don't call me baby, because I'm filming a YouTube video.
Oh, sorry.
And these are my sister's clothes. They're beautiful. This is my favorite one she has. It's beautiful. The background's white. It's beautiful. It's not all white, it's beautiful. I think you can barely see it. This is my second favorite. She loves ice cream. And it's this cute little ice cream truck. It's thick up here with little beads. And it says ice cream. She loves ice cream. I love this one. It's so cute. It says just like Mom, and this is a thick little flower. Let's see my other favorite. I also really like this one. It's a dinosaur, and it says totally awesome. I also like, where's the last one I like? She has some dresses. These are some really pretty dresses, but she looks super good in this one. It's supposed to be an Easter dress. It's all light pink. It's so cute. It's all thick and so furry. It feels so good. I wish you could feel it. This is my closet. I have a favorite too. This is mine too. We're kind of like twins. She has blonde hair. In one of my YouTube videos, you can see her. She's super cute. One day, I'm going to film and get her. This is my second favorite outfit. This is another one. They're kind of the same. Just this one has pants added to it, and this one's just the shirt. This one's mine, just like Mom. Same as Insley's. I love the ones with the ruffles. Also kind of like this one, be kind to the world. It doesn't say world, it just has world. I also love this one. It says believe, I believe, and then it has a big unicorn. Its hair's light pink. It's all sparkly with purple marks for the hair, like purple horn, white stripes, all white. Has some pink spots right here. Pink right there. It's a girl because it has eyelashes. Pink hooves. Everything glittery. And it says, I believe, in purple. If you can barely see it, that's the only reason that I'm telling you. Oh, I also love this skirt. It's so pretty. Let me just get all my clothes over so you can see it. It's all blue. It has some white snowflakes. I actually am not sure what those are. Some dark teal little circles and some pink stars. And this is light blue in the background. It's so pretty. And this up here is just gray with rainbow sparkles. These are my dress overalls. So pretty. I also kind of like this. It's fancy though. I don't really like fancy. This is pretty. I'd wear it with this. I also love these. There's some overalls too. Just they're not dress overalls. I have a lot of dresses in here with things that are pretty. I never knew that this was in here. It's so pretty. This was in there. It's pretty weird. Oh, it's so bright now. Okay, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. See it? This came off. It's super weird. It's so pretty. The whole bottom's purple. It's so pretty. This is what it looks like in the back. It's a tie-off in the back. These buttons say something. I can't read it. Okay, that's all my closet. Oh, these are my shoes. They're not organized. This is the shirt I showed you. This one too. It's beautiful. It's so glamorous and beautiful. Oh, here's my mirror. You can see yourself. Say hi. You can see yourself. Say hi. Oh, I also love this one. It's so cute. It looks fancy on her though. Oh, I love this one too. I never knew it was in her closet. I'm just looking back in hers because I didn't see much, and I'm sure you didn't see much either. But, see, do you see this? It's beautiful. It's light pink. Let me show you this again since you can see. Now, these are beautiful. It's a little fancy though. These are my favorite shoes. They're my Chacos. They're so pretty. I love them. They're a little too big for me. Let me show you how they look on me. They're a little hard to get on though. Well, the second one I put on is hard. Always. But I'm only putting one on so you can see. My toes aren't done all the way. But I'm going to show you. They're way too big for me, but I love them. They're beautiful. I think they're beautiful, just not really with this outfit. Inslee, say hi. This is my little baby sister. Hi. Hi. Don't take over. Well, once I filmed with her, and she stole the camera. I haven't decided if I'm gonna show the TV. It's on something really weird right now. I do not know how to get it onto YouTube. But I'll ask my dad. Maybe I'll do it just sometimes. I try to film just when I do that, when I quickly put it on there and it doesn't upload because I put it on the TV and it doesn't upload because I usually press the button down here if you make a video. If you film a video, you'll find out. Just ask your dad. He knows how to make you a channel. Easily. Okay. I'm filming and handling with my left hand. Yoo-hoo. Say hi, left hand. Hi. Now, here's my favorite little bush. I feel like sometimes I play with them and act like the dark ones are the babies. There's little dark ones, and then these ones are the grown-ups. I feel like they're my pets. Last time I've done this before. And it didn't work out so well. But still beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna let you watch me do something cool. Okay. So, can you see me? Can you see me? I look glamorous. You can't really see when I do that though. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Dance off when you do it. Dance off when you do it. Dance off when you do it. And it never say something so bad, and would never go so crazy. Never go so crazy. Never go so crazy. Oh, 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 oh. Did you like it? Did you like it? Okay. Now I'm gonna do it with you. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. You can look at that. Oh, 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 oh. Dun, dun, dun. Sing along. What's this little song in my mind? What even is all this stuff in my mind? If you watch this a lot, you get used to the song. Never ever be alone with me, and we'll never be alone. And try to sing along. And this thing go hey, and this thing go yo, go down. Look, go down with your right hand, and then go up when you say hey, and then go ho. Hey, ho, and do that 1, 2 times for each. Hey, ho, hey, ho. What you know, and then put your right hand out or both, and go out like this, and say what you know, and then say oh, what you know, hey, oh, what you know, and then go like, put your waist one way, put your waist left and then right. Left, right, and say, hey, oh, what you know, I'm on this business, oh, yo. And then when you say, oh, yo, you go like, oh, yo. And you move your head like, oh, yo. And say, are you crazy? And put your left hand out and put your waist right to left or left to right. What you know, oh, ayo, boop, boop, boop. If I'm not copying the first word I say, I'm sorry, I forgot. I forget a lot about my songs. Oh, here's another song I want to teach you. It's an old song that I used to play. Dad, this is my filming room for now. Dad, come here. You've got to film.
What do I say?
Say hi.
Hi! Today is the best day ever.
Because you can get this at the store. It says, film it. It says, look, it says, more s'mores and less snores. You can get it at the store. It comes with some shorts too. Just, I don't wear them normally. They used to put these pants. Used to pull my panties down. But now they don't, now that I'm 6. I got this when I was 5 because it came out when I was 5. So, goodbye. I gave you a nice tour. Wait, 1 second. I really want to show you this new thing in my room. Dad, can you turn the light on?
Yeah.
I'm scared too. So here's a potty. It's a bathroom. It's super dark. It's all white. Pretty. We have a garbage. That's just like a chair we have. One day I gave you a tour of my whole house. This time that was just a tour of my closet. And here's a potty. It's all white. Toilet paper. some butterflies, some flowers, some designs. It's not really showing up. Here's the shower. We're not done with that. This is the water for the potty. There's little things on the ends that keep water. And it's just a beautiful potty. It works now. It's got a silver, what's it called? Flusher. And the door to it is all white. And then a silver, very shiny thing. And the locker thing is a thing that you move left to right or up and down. Unlocked is left and right. Locked is up and down. I'm going to keep it like that because then... Oh, I didn't film my first time. You'll get locked out. And we have 2 bathrooms. The other one's beautiful. Oh, I don't want to get this one. There. It's super bright in here. The lights are beautiful. The sink is beautiful. Not really. No, it's not clean. And here's a beautiful mirror. You can see yourself. Beautiful. It's not hard to put you in there. Since it's a circle. This is my mom's makeup bag. My dad, one day he'll film. Here's the potty, same as last time's. Here's the toilet paper, same. Except it doesn't have flowers. And here's the garbage. It's silver, and it has the little dots for things around it on the outside and the inside. And there's squares on half of the walls. That's why. The rest of it is gray. Same as last time's door. And pink flooring with rectangles. Not rectangles. What is it called? Hexagons. And here's the beautiful